Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to pay using MoneyGram in 2025. MoneyGram is a global money transfer service that allows you to send and receive money quickly and securely. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of paying using MoneyGram. First, you need to find a MoneyGram location near you. You can do this by visiting the MoneyGram website and using their location finder tool. You can also find MoneyGram services at many retail stores, pharmacies, and financial institutions. Once you have found a location, you will need to gather the required information and documents. This includes the recipient's name, country, and city, as well as the amount you want to send. You will also need to provide identification and proof of address. Next, go to the MoneyGram location and let the representative know that you want to send money. They will guide you through the process and provide you with a form to fill out. Fill out the form with the required information and hand it over to the representative. The representative will then provide you with a reference number, which you should give to the recipient. This reference number is used to pick up the money at a MoneyGram location in the recipient's country. To pay for the transfer, you can use cash, debit card, or credit card. The fees and exchange rates will be calculated and displayed to you before you complete the transaction. It is also possible to pay using MoneyGram online or through their mobile app. To do this, you will need to create an account and link your debit or credit card. You can then enter the recipient's information and the amount you want to send, and the money will be transferred. When paying using MoneyGram, it is essential to ensure that you are sending money to a trusted recipient. You should also be aware of the fees and exchange rates associated with the transfer, as these can vary depending on the location and amount. In conclusion, paying using MoneyGram is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this tutorial, you can send money quickly and securely to almost anywhere in the world. Remember to always use MoneyGram services responsibly and to be aware of the fees and exchange rates associated with the transfer.